Good morning, all. Today we're going to take a look at buying a manufactured home. We're going to walk you through the purchase, the placement, the loans, the inspections, for everything you need to do to buy a home and put it on your own property without any help. You will hire a contractor for concrete, electrical, plumbing, and we will walk you through everything. And we have a website that you can go to get everything you need. Let's take a look at the inside. Nice concept, open floor plan. Look, nice detail. Open, a lot of light. I like that, a lot of light in this house. Let's take a walk inside and see a little bit more. Yeah, the open concept is nice. A lot of light. Good size living room. Very nice ceiling fan. And then it also, the flooring is a sheet vinyl, but nice, well done for the price. I like that it has a separate family room where the kids can be off to one side. It's got a nice fireplace. I believe it's gas. It might be electric. I'll have to double check that. And again, a lot of lighting. Good lighting in this house. Nice stainless steel appliances. The Frigidaire, I believe. That's the bedroom. We're gonna have to check that out later. We'll do that towards the end. Take a look at the kitchen a little better. It's even got a nice little mudroom back there in the corner. They've got a bunch of supplies in it right now, but we'll take a check out. We'll check that out later. Nice view from the kitchen. Entertaining. You can have people in the living room. And you can be doing your stuff in the kitchen and still have a conversation with all your friends and family. Yeah, come into the kitchen and check it out. It's got a nice full backsplash farm sink, big window, nice window, white cabinets, nice built-in microwave. Yeah, I like the stainless steel. It's got a stove top. The oven is nice, stove. A lot of cabinets. Dishwasher. Yeah, it's a nice full backsplash. It's small diamond, little button backsplash. Yeah, nice sink, nice faucet. And a full dishwasher. Nice center island. Do some prep on it. Have your kids sitting on the other side eating as you do breakfast. Good size. Actually, nice size. Couple of bar stools on the back side. Cook your kids some pancakes, bacon. Let's take a look at this mudroom. It's a good size. Wash machine, dryer. I don't think it's actually considered a mudroom because it doesn't go outside, but it's got your heater, water heater, stuff, all that stuff. Go ahead and take a look out. And this is an electrical panel. It's in the utility room. Let's take a walk into the dining area. Nice size. This is a beginning starter home, so, but it is a good size home. 1,500 square feet. Nice double living room and family room, which a lot of them don't even have. I like that they have the patio door off the dining, so when you have your deck out back, you can just go right out back without going through your main living room right from the kitchen. That's nice. That's always good. Nice kitchen, all open. You can have a lot of people entertaining, have people in the living room, have the kids in the one room, the adults in another room, cook in the kitchen, do all that. Let's take a walk down, take a look at the pantry, see how it does. Not bad size. Let's take a look into the dining area and then we can walk on down the living room. It's very nice. I guess this would be the family room. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. It's nice size. I'm not sure the size of these. I would say they're probably 10 or 11 feet by 10 or 11 feet. I'm looking for the information on it. Nice closets. Typical bedroom. Nice vaulted ceiling. This sheet vinyl runs throughout the house. It looks good though. It looks really nice. Let's take a look at the second bedroom. It's just a mirror image of the first one. It's got a small closet. Smaller. Yeah, there it is. There's a closet. Standard closet. Okay, as we leave the bedroom, we're going to the guest bath. Nice size. Guest bath, kids bath. Nice light. Has good lighting. And then we check out the linen closet for the bath. Gotta have some place to keep your towels. Good place for it. Yeah. Okay, well, let's take a look at what you've all been waiting for, the master bedroom. Just one more, take a quick look at the guest bedrooms or kids' rooms. They're really nice size, for a kids' room. Okay, let's go on down through the dining area and through the main living room into you've all been waiting for, the master bath. Well, you've all been waiting for the master bedroom. Sorry there's no bed in this one to give you a size, but I think it's about 14, 15 by 12, something like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Take a look at the master bath. It's got a double sink. Nice double sinks. Stand-up shower. Obviously shower, no tub. Good size too. Nice light. Got a lot of light. Nice walk-in closet. It's pretty good size. Deep. A lot of possibilities. Use your imagination. I like the light above the sink. The window, I mean. Good natural light. This house has no lights on. This is all natural lighting in this whole house. Very, very good. Let's do a little montage of the house. And while we do it, I'll explain a few things on the channel. What we're going to do is in this video, we're going to show you a house and give you a basic layout of a basic house. In the next video, we're going to start going through more of the procedures on how to get your financing, find a lot to put it on. We'll eventually, over the next few videos, do some sewer information, water, power. We'll do how you find a contractor, what contractor's license they need, and everything you need to know to do your own home. And you will save so much money. You can get into some of these homes for as low as $250,000, $300,000. That's on your own lot. That's on your own everything. So like, subscribe, and follow us so you can learn how to do all this on your own. You don't have to hire a general contractor. Save you a lot of money and a lot of headache. Have a good night.